Hello, students. Once again, come back to the chapter Poverty as a Challenge. In the previous session, we had seen that the two typical cases showing many dimensions of poverty. It shows the hunger and the lack of shelter. Poverty also means lack of safe drinking water and sanitation facilities. Poor people are in a situation in which they are ill treated at almost every place. You had already experienced this thing. You know very well, in a bank, suppose two people entered in the bank at the same time. One is well dressed and one is in shabby dress. The person who is in shabby dress is ill treated by everyone, whereas the privilege is given to the suited booted person who entered in the bank. That is why poor people are in a situation in which they are ill treated at almost every place. It also means that lack of a regular job at a minimum decent level. Decent level means at least we should earn such amount that our family can easily survive. Now, poverty as seen by the social scientist. Poverty is looked through other social indicators also, such as illiteracy level. As I told you earlier also, because of poverty we could not able to get education, so our literacy level is very down. Lack of general resistance due to malnutrition, because we did not have sufficient amount of money to get the or to avail the health facilities. Lack of access to health care, lack of job opportunities, lack of access to safe drinking water, sanitation, etc. Analysis of poverty based on social exclusion and vulnerability is now becoming very common. So, what is this social exclusion and vulnerability? We will read in this same page. Social exclusion means group of people which are excluded from the society. So who are excluded from the society? Who is poor, who did not belong to a rich family, or who do not have good house to live, and so on. So according to the concept of social exclusion, poverty must be seen in terms of the poor having to live only in poor surroundings with other poor people. It means we did not see any poor people living in posh colony. These are excluded from enjoying social equality of better off people in better off surroundings. It means the exclusion of these people to avail the facilities which are enjoyed by other people. Is that clear? Now, vulnerability. What is this vulnerability? So, vulnerability to poverty is a measure which describes the greater possibility of certain communities, say members of the backward caste or individuals such as widow or physically handicapped person, of becoming or remaining poor in coming years. It means for a longer time. So today we complete the first 3 pages of poverty as a challenge. Poverty itself is a challenge, and we should try to overcome through these challenges which are related to the poverty.